Hello, today we are here to demonstrate this device which developed and conceptualized and manufactured by Zreyas Technology India Private Limited, which is called Cardio Check. Now this is a simple device. It uses a normal chest piece of an ordinary stethoscope to catch preliminary heart sounds, which are then digitized using digital signal processing technology to show the waveforms. It comes with a software focus on software here. Okay, now let's demonstrate how it works. It's a very simple device. There's an on-off switch, and when it's switched on and blue LED comes on, which means that the device is ready and the battery is all right. And this is the part which goes into the laptop or a desktop here, and then we press it on our chest and press record here and record the sounds, okay, preferably for 10-20 seconds. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're done. Yes, so we have the waveforms here. We can select the portion that we want to highlight. Here it is. We can also save it as a image. Okay. And we can also compare it with some recorded heart sounds, pre-recorded heart sounds of diseases, of heart diseases here within the software. We can just go and add from a list of samples. For example, this is mitral stenosis. Okay. See, the blue one is a pre-recorded sound, and the red one is the one we recorded live. See, here is how it works. Thank you.